You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Russian. If you want to learn more interesting and confusing names from geography, make sure to stay tuned. The name of a sea in the Pacific Ocean near Russia, Okhotsk, the Russian pronunciation, Okhotsk, and therefore in English it's pronounced similarly as Okhotsk. You want to stress on that second syllable, the C of Okhotsk. It's easy. English pronunciation and Russian are similar, Okhotsk. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.